all kinds of introductions. I don't know what kind of introduction to make and how I should start my speech about road rash. And if some people have not understood my introduction, I'll make it much detailed here. So now let's start. Now, which game am I playing? Road Rash. When is it from? 1996. Who owns it? Electronic Arts. Understood? Let's get started. So yeah, let me go to the restroom. I've in fact already come. So let me load my game, Milwaukee John. So which player is there now? Which player am I taking? Milwaukee John. Okay, so let me open the file and let's see the smooths. Like who's your friend and who it's your guts. Let's see the other racers. Let's see the other racers what they tell. So don't waste my time with your threats. I've got bigger fish to fry and I don't mean Sydney. Yeah, Sydney is a rich spoiled kid. And which other bigger fish do you want than Milwaukee John? Slim Jim, Clone Boy. Let's see at the track what are you going to do, what miracles you can do. Earn by respect by proving it. You're not afraid to go at it, not by ignoring me. Whenever I ignored you, every other race you're getting trashed by me and ignoring and all is telling you over here. Huh? Whenever I ignored you, all races are getting belted and pasted by me. What is talking? Before you were good, now I don't know, you become hopeless. They might not have bikes like this back in Akron, these again, and don't have roads like this either. First, you don't race. Okay, you're too rich. I don't want you to race on the road. The way you race only will spoil the road and you'll have to pay for it. Irritating Sydney. Mike likes to send love taps, but he doesn't know his own strength. He had a strength, he's become too lazy, that's why. Yeah, you're absolutely right. Okay, so let me go to the bulletin board now. The Peninsula, 17.6 kilometers, level 3. Let's kill it and nail it and seal it here. Before we move on to level 4. So this is the last race here. Let's get started right away. So coming to where I'm riding, Peninsula, this is one of the best places. I would indeed say it's the best place to ride. And players who want to practice here and improve their strength in road rash, improve their strength in riding the bike, this is the best place because wait 1 second, I'm getting a little engaged. Okay, so because Peninsula has a mixture of Napa Valley and the city, so this would be a better option. You will know both kinds of things. You will almost know the whole part of road rash. That's how the 4 races are. Only one track is odd, which is the Pacific Highway. But yeah, you see there, if you're getting wrecked, if you're losing your life, oh my god, the police is kicking him over there. Let him go fall towards the side and break his head. Idiot is. So as I was saying, Pacific Highway is also a very good option if you're getting wrecked or you're riding too carelessly, falling too many times. That's the best option. But yet this is a better option. This has wider ranges in the Peninsula. Obviously Pacific Highway is my favorite, so I would say Peninsula 60%, Pacific Highway 40%. Hence Peninsula is a better place to ride. Try it out on the Pacific Highway as well. Don't leave that. Okay, let's move on. So now in the 5th place, Honda the Rash. Behind me, oh yeah, oh what a blast that was. Got bombarded over there. I'm in the 3rd place. Mike, too much he was talking. I doubt if he's come here. Pakka, he's moved to that side only. Guarantee. Oh, talking like some big don over there. What a coward. Axel, oh, what he was talking too much that time also. This fellow also I saw, I think. No. He's criminal, no. He will be telling when I was a child I was a criminal. Your name only you keep off as criminal. Don't want Axel. Criminal only will keep. So when they read your name only, they'll know you're a criminal. Oh, Sydney! Hey, shit! I fell down. No. This idiotic car he came in between. Stupid fellow, he came from nowhere. Now I'm in the 6th place. Oh, Ronda. Yeah, just be careful. Okay. So let's move on. So Ronda is right in front of me. Mama Baker, Ma Baker, Mama Baker, Papa Baker, Papa. Oi! You only kicked me and you only fell. What a legend. I did see Mike only today, in fact. Paka, 100% is guarantee. Yeah, I doubt if he's come for the race also. He would have been tired of me pasting him. Or I would say tired of getting pasted, belted. Too many wounds. They will be healing. Oh, Sydney full today, like maybe some Nitro Boost, some nice upgrades she's done, nah? We have to do checking. If she is only racing or someone else is wearing that suit and riding the bike. I'll check. I have to do identification now. Who's riding the bike? Okay, so here I am. This kind of the Napa Valley kind now. Oh, this steel tires, they're very annoying. Be careful with them. Sydney, Sydney only it is. Whoa, watch the, if you snatch my stick, you will become a fun great player. You snatch my stick only. So that only will keep it as some achievement. As if some big achievement is done. Or they'll give some award if you snatch off my stick. Getting belted. Paka head 180 degrees crack only. Admitter, I'll call ambulance now. Ambulance 108. I think today, Sunday, no, today everyone will be holiday. Enjoy on the road only. No one will come to help you. Oh, just slow down here. So this is like worst in the city. Too many cars here. So here I'm in the second place. So I still got to push more hard to get into the first place. So just slow down. This really has no control. Both the sides you got to slow down. Right is better in the compared to the left. Oh, these police officers know what kind of driving they do, appa. I don't have chain also, stick also. This is very surprising, appa. This is. She fell down and she's only coming in the first place. What is this? What's going on? Okay, these police officers, they're drunkards. Like left, right, as if they're drunk, they're riding. So I'm telling, drinking is injurious to health. Do not drink. Do not smoke, nor do drugs. They're bad for health and they're injurious as well. So don't leave. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and see you next week. And before that, please tell us which was your favorite video in all the five videos. Okay, drop it on to the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe to the House of Games. Okay. So now level progression 4, I move to the next level, which is the level 4. So that one I will resume it in the next week. Next Sunday I will do the level 4, and yes, this coming Saturday see you with the bike review of the sport bikes. Okay, and goodbye.